Okay, come back to my channel, i.e. Nature Animals. Let's go. Here are 5 unique animals in the world that you must know. The number 1, polar bear. Polar bear hair is not, as previously believed, white or colorless. Wow, not many people seem to realize that the white hue is a reflection of the colors around it, including snow and dark skin, absorbing the warmth of the sun. Number 2, giraffe. It comes discovered that the giraffe's neck is made up of 7 bones. Have you ever counted the bones? That's the same amount as people, but it's considerably larger than theirs. Number 3, gorilla. Each gorilla nose has a distinctive and individual pattern of wrinkles called nose prints. To track people, conservationists use drawings and sketches of gorilla noses. Number 4, worm. There are no male or female earthworms. All earthworms have reproductive organs that are both male and female, which allows them to procreate on their own without needing to pair with a male and a female. Number 5, bat. Sharp teeth are found on vampire bats. Consequently, the bite could not even be felt. Their saliva has numbing properties. Wow, that's awful. Bats may consume their victims' blood for up to 30 minutes. We need to be careful, men.